various features of the keyboard. So this isn't reset. Okay, so next feature, weird. So this like normal. Next, this is like a rebound. No. Next, this is like a random preset for some reason. It just changes on its own. I don't know why. Different colors have a different set of functions going on. Weird. So this is like auto breathing. You can change the speed from here. You can increase the speed like this. Increase brightness. It's at max. Decrease brightness. Decrease the speed. This is like the least speed you can get, so it will change like pretty slowly. This is like fast. So yeah, this is like auto breathing and stuff. All random colors, and they light up when you press. They keep changing colors like this. It has N key rollover. I'll put it in the next video. It doesn't do much. Pretty nice. Having a weird flicker issue at the down key for some reason. I don't know why. I'll just show you. It's having some slight flicker issues which have gone surprisingly. Yeah, that's it. This is that snake thing. I can slow it down like pretty much, like make it one key or make it like fast as fuck.